morning. We're stuck here next to the road in a rainstorm. It's raining. Leah's holding the plastic here. Little Leah. How are you, Leah? We got soaked already. We're there on the motorbike. You can see it behind us through this plastic. And we took shelter here by the road. Friendly road worker here in his hammock. What's your name?
I'm Alberto Ladica.
Sorry?
Alberto Ladica.
Alberto Ladica. Okay, I like your hammock. You sleep here? You sleep or you just sit here?
I'm Bukawi.
You're the worker. Work here?
Lagman.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Are you cold, Leah? Leah's shivering. Are you okay? Oh, it's really cold. It's really cold. Okay, so we're sitting here in the rainstorm, listening to music. Where is your music? Where is your music? Oh, your phone, right? Okay. So we got music, we got a roof, and we're trying to, can't see much because it's very stormy. I'm trying to focus slowly. There you can see there in the distance, there's a huge, massive road works, big projects going on. Ever since last year when Mr. Duterte became president, we're having these big construction projects all over Mindanao, roads and building projects all over. So there goes the tricycle. You cold? Leah's shivering. As you can see, we got wet already. My leg is soaked. That's not our motorbike, by the way. It's not our motorbike. Water is rushing past here already. Already rushing down. Okay guys, this is where we are now. We're waiting. We're under the small, very tiny little roof here in Nipa with some plastic to cover my back, but yeah, we're nice and wet. So we're on the way to San Francisco. Hopefully the rain is, it's slowing down. So when it stops now, we're gonna go on. Okay, bear with us. Whoa, sure.